Now what's he up to? Why has he been painting the fuel tank? Surely he's got more important things to do, like frames and seats and things. Well, I'm kind of waiting for stuff and I got bored. Stay tuned. Yes folks, we're back on the BMW K75 Cafe Racer project, and I've been messing around with some paint because I kind of enjoy that. Honestly, I just wanted to kind of see the direction and give me a bit of incentive to get on with the more tedious bits that I've got to sort out. Folks, we are custom painting the BMW K Series Cafe Racer fuel tank. So that's exciting. So to kick off, initial prep was to rub the whole thing down with about 600 grit and fill in just little scratches and bumps and chips and things with some ready mixed filler. And then where I took it through to the metal, I've put on some Etch primer. Apparently that's a good base on metal for better adhesion. And before every coat we're using this Duplicolor paint prep. Yeah, really good cleaner, just to get the surface good and clean. Next up, love this stuff. Goes on super thick and you can just keep layering it up, which is what I should do really, because it's kind of filler. Anyway, that's kind of where we're at now. We can rub it down a little after we leave it to dry. What better place for it? Okay, second coat of primer. I have to be honest, this is kind of easy because the tank was in good condition. There was a little blemish here. It's now gone, as you can see. Nice and smooth. And also I dinged it at the front end here, and that's now gone. So we have a beautifully smooth surface, which makes a change. And after a little bit more rubbing down with 1200 grit and white primer, there we go. Needs another coat. I just kind of gave it a loose dusting, shall we say. So I'll probably give that a little bit of a gentle rub down and then another coat. And now for a slight detail, which is not part of the normal paint process, but I just happen to have some of this, which is kind of sparkly silver, and some of this, which is kind of orange. So it'd be rude not to just see what it looks like. It's not going to be the same as proper candy on metal flake, but it'll give us an idea. We're going to end up sanding most of it off, honestly, but I can't resist it. Bear with me. Well, it's by no means a finished example. It's not even the right paint, but it gives us an idea of where we're going. I rather like it. It's all too dark. The orange is kind of a burnt orange, and this is a darker silver than the metal flake's going to end up, so it'll be a lot lighter that, and obviously it's pretty horrible finish on there. But I just did it for shits and giggles. It's definitely going to be better than that. It's going to be a much richer colour and a lighter silver, as I say. If you look at the mud guard we did, yeah, it's quite a bright silver and then a really rich, beautiful metallic metal flake finish. But you get the general idea. It's very cool. Did I say that already? Yes, it's all coming together quite nicely. Oh, and yes, I've been busy on the seat too. Well, I'm halfway there. Got to the tricky bit, as you can see. Another episode. I have episodes. So I guess the next question is, do we go black or silver? Somewhat ironically, I think this orange is closer to the original R90S colour. I may be wrong, but it's not really relevant at this point, so it doesn't matter. So I think we'll call it a day for now. We'll finish the tank off properly later on, obviously. I was just having some fun, so I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're down there if you haven't already. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.